Name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Fendi Prince on, I mean I've been storm. X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nikki like the Prince on. I've been on, bitch you been.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If I look weird, it's because I dyed my hair last night. I don't know why, but it was time for a change. So my hair is now red or burgundy. I don't know. It's still kind of wet, but you'll see all of it at the end of the video at some point. I'm gonna take this bun out at some point. It's gonna be crazy because it's still wet too. But today's video is for Face Chart Friday. If you are new to my channel, every Friday I attempt to recreate a face chart from. It's been the same 3 artists for these last 2 months. It's been Milk1422, Gold Beauty, and PP face charts. They're all different face chart artists on Instagram that I've either been tagged in or sent pictures, and then I do polls on Instagram because I like to get feedback from the people that I trust and love. So that's what happened, and today's face chart is another Gold Beauty face chart because she won again this week. So that's what I'm going to be doing. If you didn't know my name is Nikki. I live in South Korea. I teach English to young children, well, middle school age, 2 6 years old, Korean age 6 years old. So that's what I do during the day. Nighttime, it's makeup. Early mornings, it's makeup. The weekends, it's usually some type of makeup. Enough talking. Let's get started. So I've already primed my eyes and did my brows, clearly. The palette I'm going to be using for this entire look is actually the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I know some people don't like this one. I actually like it. So I'm going to be using this one to recreate this face chart. The first shade I'm going to dip into is called Eden. That's this shade here. I'm going to take this shade and put it above my crease and up in this area. Now for the second shade, I am sure it is like a black or deep shade, but I don't want to get too dark. So I'm actually going to, for this look, use this shade here called Throne, and maybe add a little bit of obsidian like in the corner, but I don't want it to be too black. So I'm not going to put too much of obsidian on my lid because I don't know about you guys that are into makeup or do makeup, but when I try to do black, I always wind up getting it everywhere, and I look like a raccoon or some dead thing. So to avoid looking like a dead thing, I use about this much black whenever I do a smoky eye or any eye that requires black. So as you can see, I added concealer off camera because, I mean, we all know how to do that. I am going to be going into the last shade for the lid, and that is this shade here, Pyramid, and I'm going to put that all where the concealer is, using my Morphe M156 double-ended brush, but I'm going to use this. And the reason why I didn't say anything with the other brushes is because if you've been here for a while, they don't have any names. I bought them from AliExpress, and so I can't really give a name or a number. Whereas when I use Morphe or my Anastasia brushes, I can say where they're from and what numbers or style, etc., etc. Oh, itchy nose. Now I'm going to go off camera and do foundation, concealing, blah, 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 blah. Then I will come back to finish lower lash line, highlight, and lips. So for this part, I'm not going to have the face chart on the screen because this part has nothing to do with the face chart. Took my hair down, and that bun kind of made it all weird. I have no idea I'm going to style this now. And my extensions blend in well, except for some pairs. They're still a little dark. I might have to color them again this weekend. Anyway, I'm going to be taking this first, which is the Liquid Frost from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Goddess. Like, you can see that, it's so small. And I'm going to, yes, I haven't taken off my, I take my nose off the very, very end, like right before I do my lipstick. Why? I don't know, but I'm just going to take this. And I like this, like, if you don't know what this looks like you put it in, and this closes, and it's sucking everything into the straw. You open it, it pops up. And then that's how you push it onto your face. Pretty sure the right side has more, so I'm gonna have to steal from the right side. Now they're even. I'm gonna put some here and some here. And I take this brush, which, sorry, I'm getting a cold, so my voice is like in and out, up and down, so if I sound weird, I apologize. I'm taking this brush that I got from AliExpress, and I just blend it in. Like if you were doing foundation, it's the same thing. There's like a dry, like right in these two areas. It looks like there's nothing there. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but when I look behind the camera into the mirror and I turn, I can see the dullness of that spot, and that's annoying. Now if I wanted to, I could stop right there because it's actually a pretty good highlight. But of course I'm going to put King Tut on top of this because they just look really good together. And that's been my color combo for a while since I got this. So I'm going to go grab King Tut and put that like right here and here and a little bit here. So obviously I added the rest of my, I need to stop doing that before I pull one out. Added the rest of my extensions here and in the ponytail, which is sticking out a little bit there. So that's going to be fun, trying to keep that hidden. Maybe when my hair dries it'll get fluffier. Anyway, it is time for my favorite part of any look. I have a pimple and it's just prominent with this highlighter. Sorry, I got distracted. There's a pimple there. If you saw in the face chart, the lip is like black and gold. So I'm going to be taking a lip liner that I bought here in Korea from e.l.f. Cosmetics and the ColourPop metallic lip in PYT. And I'm going to add, because this isn't as gold as I want it to be, so for picture purposes, I'm going to be adding a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife with my finger, like in the center, to make it more golden. Okay, enough talking, let's do this.
Allergic to love, like my heart had the flu. But your sin, it was my medicine. No more saying I'm you. Now your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to want me, like I was a pink starburst. 'Cause you make my heart skip like a stone over the water. And I know with love and Tiki come together. Though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever.
And this is the finished look. So listen, Linda, listen. This is not going to be worn to work because my students would have a field day and we would never get anything done. However, I'm going to take pictures in this, and then I'm going to change the lip and take pictures in that. I really like... Oh, I just pulled an extension. I really like this look though. I would never, unless it was Halloween. There's like a brush hair. Yeah, the brush hair in my face. For Halloween, I would do a lip like this, but for like just going out or something. That's crazy. Again, if you are new, I do face chart videos every Friday. And then, unless I'm like sick or something. But then, and then if I do get sick, I do it Saturday. Or sometimes I do like face chart collabs. Again, if you want to collab with me or do anything like that, all you gotta do is message me. And this extension is sliding down. Wait 1 second. Yeah, so if you don't know, I do wear extensions. I do wear only thing I don't wear is sew-ins because I can't find anyone in Korea to do one. But I wear extensions, and that one was sliding. And it's because I think it's because my hair is still like it's too straight in the roots because yeah, I don't know. Anyway, if you want to collab with me or do anything like that, all of my information for Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter is in the description box. That's it for the video. I'm gonna get dressed and take some pictures. I will see you all next time. Bye.